Hey guys, how you going? It's Justin Allen here with my Good Advice channel, here to give you good advice for a better future. Gee, don't you hate it when the drone goes flat all the time? Gee, what's the answer? Alright guys, I'll come and show you. So guys, here's the inverter up here, and it's been screwed down, and up here is the pop the back seat to come down, and the battery's here in my car. My brother's a auto electrician, so he's installed it for me, and there's just a cable down there, and it's got a fuse, and I keep spare bulbs down there on the right bottom. Right, with my car you can easily just pop the latch in the boot and the seat will be opened. Open up the back door and magically the seat comes down for easy access to the inverter. You can charge 3 batteries at the same time, and the DJI has 2 ports, so you can charge your phone and the controller at the same time. And once you have finished, you can simply just turn it on the off switch so your battery does not go flat. Alright guys, they'll keep you flying for as much as you like. Alright guys, bye.